This is it, bro. It is your last chance to log in on YouTube, and I'm serious right now. I know that you've probably seen a lot of videos like that. I know you've seen a lot of guys talking, yeah, you need to log in, bro. You need to log in, you need to work harder. But that's not the case right here. Because if you've seen this video, you're probably a business owner or a coach or a guy that want to get into YouTube, into creator business and treat it as a business, because YouTube is a business. It's basically a free platform that is generating you leads for free, and even after some time, they will pay you for generating leads to your product. Isn't that crazy? And I know what I'm talking about because I grew my YouTube channel from 0 to 10,000 subscribers in less than a year, and I generated more than 1 million views. And I'm telling you right now, I got so many calls booked out of it. I got so many sales out of it, even though my niche was so bad. If you don't know what niche is, and watch this video right here. Back to the point. You see all of those guys, Charlie Morgan, Iman Gadzhi, Hamza Ahmed, making a lot of money in the creator business. But what you don't see is that there are a lot of people that have literally less than 1,000 subscribers, maybe 1,000, maybe 2,000 subscribers, and they are making more than those guys at the top of the ladder that have the most subscribers. Because you see, YouTube is changing. YouTube is changing, and right now, the best thing you can do is to build a relationship with your viewer, but a deeper relationship. Because you see all of those guys, Mr. Beast, Ryan Trahan, they are cool, right? They are getting a lot of views. But what they don't have is they don't have a deep relationship with the viewer. They don't have the connection because they don't know the pains. They don't even know who they are talking to. And I know exactly who I'm talking to. I know that you wanted to start a YouTube channel if you are seeing this video, but maybe you didn't, or maybe you can't just get any views, you can't get sales calls booked. And it's because you didn't took the simple steps that I'm teaching on this channel, the simple step-by-step process that is literally generating me over 1,000 people watching my every single video. So it's 1,000 people that is hearing about my product, and you know exactly what happens after that, right? If you don't want to waste all of this time learning all of the tactics, then implementing them, and then testing them out, and you want the proven formula, MC formula, then click the link in the description, DM me, and we can talk about how I can help you and if I can help you. Because slots are limited, and obviously I can't help everyone. What I'm gonna tell you right now, that if you are not creating content right now, or if you are slacking on content, then you need to start now, because a lot of people are figuring out what is going on. A lot of people are getting in, and a lot of people are earning a fuck ton of money. And I know guys that are doing that. Personally, I know them. And they are saying it's crazy opportunity. So if you are watching this video until now, then start today. Take your camera and record something. If you already have a channel, then start making sure that every video you post right now on the channel will be so viable that people that click on it will get 10 times more value than the time they put in to watch that video. Because every single video that I'm gonna upload on this channel will be crazy in value. So subscribe to this channel. Yeah, and if you want to grow. But that's the point. You see, I broke my tripod right before recording this. I broke it, and I'm still recording it on a stack of books because I know how crazy this opportunity is. I know that I need to record right now. I need you to hear me out right now. Because if I'm not gonna help you with YouTube, then other guys will. And I'm not gonna make that money that they will. And it's the same with your product. If you will not get into the creator space, and if you will not become a modern creator, so a guy that is attracting true fans, not only viewers, then other guys will do that in your space, and they will take all of the customers because they will have greater, stronger connection, and they will just simply destroy you. So get in right now, log in on YouTube, and don't overthink it 1 second more, because this opportunity might never be the same. And the best part is, creating YouTube videos is actually fun. All of those businesses, SMMA, dropshipping, for some people they might be fun. But I'm telling you right now, 70%, I heard someone telling me that 70% of people in United States, of young people, want to be a YouTuber. It's crazy. 70%. There will never be 70% of people that want to be a dropshipper or a SMMA guy. Never. Even if Iman is teaching you SMMA, copywriting, all of those other things, he is making his money through YouTube. He is doubling down on content. So open your eyes, lock in, and if you want my help again, then click the link in the description. And remember, viewers ain't freedom, fans are. Boom.